good. How are you doing? Hi, Gamo.
Hey Casey,
How are you, Gamo?
I'm good and yourself?
I'm good, Gamo.
Mm.
How are you? Sabangagcina nini?
Ngiyakuzumela ukuthi ungibone kahle.
Why?
Ngifuna ungibone kahle. I feel like
Kuzongenzelani ukukubona kahle kwami?
hayi man ngiyenzela wena ukuthi ungibone kahle kanti yini manje sekumele ngicacise-ke manje ngiye phambili.
Thank you. I'm busy as what's going on? Okay, guys.
Casey,
Hmm?
awuhalela ukuza uzongishaya baby lion usave and then ngale.
I also need to save a fragment. Thank you,
Ngiyabona ukuthi
MVP.
ngu-A3 mari uyabona ukuthi kahle wenze kahle wangahlangani nami.
Hey, Banugu
Kulamalanga.
AP. You're
Ngisuka
moving.
ku-A2. Ngisuka ku-A2.
Phela manje so A2 akusinto enhle leyo udropile.
Ngisuka ku-A2 kule weekend angisho khona la ngiyele nga-offer khona.
Oh,
Ngathi
come on.
uma-offer nje.
Nile type ethi mine smoke nithi I'm not gonna play with the smokeless ones. Uma une smoke ngibona ngathi ngi-smokeless.
Bengingabi live ngey'nkathi zakho.
It's work.
Ngathi ngidlale kamnandi ngo-emini. Ngadlala kamnandi ngabo-9. Ngiphinde ngibe live ngale nkathi.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. Oh, I forgot to see how much we need for the fragment. Ne,
Ngikhe manje ngibhorwa le ice kuba ngathi angazi.
ngibona ngathi smokeless. Oh, we usually need like maybe a hen heart. But and we think being a solid fragment. Guys, should I give me a go billick? Okay, no, yeah, go billick. I repeat that. You're gonna need a hen heart to save a fragment. And then we work on getting one. Maybe tomorrow then. Maybe tomorrow. We need 2 roses.
Wena uba live late wena.
Ngempela yini?
Yeah, uba live late wena.
Cha think business goal sengi-right manje. Like ngihle mangithi ngi-right thank you title gifter. Mana ngithi ngi-right ngiphinde isikole singibambile. And manje but I'm good now. I think I'm gonna come back. And I was literally almost on Billig-ish and then I couldn't go live 2 full days and then I obviously lost fragment.
Billig kumnandi uyasaveka maintainable.
It's very maintainable. Like angazi why inkinga zingifike nje. I need umuntu ozothi, you know what, Casey, I'm gonna move you. We're gonna move together from the Silic. We're gonna move and go to Billy. Don't worry. Yes, then you will know that I love streaming.
Usibani?
I'm on C2 with 2 fragments. I literally need 2 more fragments to go to C1 and then.
Nothing hard.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Mnandi le ngikuthethe ngathi sisuzwana yabo.
Nina who?
It's le enamabezo? Enamabezo?
What are you saying, Kamu?
Enamahu awumazi lo mama lo yini sis. Enamahu?
Oh, ngiyibona in the comment section, but angiyazi.
Yeah, yena.
Ngiyibona nje comment section and I'm like, I'm so lost. Honestly, ngihle ngithi ngizoyike but angazi ngiyithole isikhathi sokuyisearch.
Ivideo yakhona, hayi ivideo nje ezisile.
And I'm like, who? Yes, I've always seen that on the comment sections. I'm just gonna search it out and I might read it now.
People akekho umuntu ongasacheck. Okay.
Thank you. Guys, we're gonna save a fragment. What are you saying, Gamal?
Ngifuna ukuthi bangisuggestele i-series la elinamanga like ngifuna iseries elinamanga like kwenzeke izinto ezi-impossible.